Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panels for motorhomes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're planning your next RV adventure or looking for reliable solar power solutions, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the MHPower Solar Charger 110-watt portable solar panel. This panel offers a solid 23.5% efficiency thanks to its monocrystalline silicon construction, making it a reliable choice for fast and efficient charging. Its lightweight design, you're looking at just 8.5 pounds, makes it ideal for RV trips, camping, and outdoor adventures. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand the elements. Though the control box isn't fully waterproof, so keep that in mind during rainy conditions. The MHPower panel folds neatly to a compact size and features handy kickstands for easy setup on flat surfaces. It includes a 4-in-1 solar extension cable compatible with most solar generators on the market, such as Anderson XT60, DC7909, and DC5521 connectors. While the portability and durability shine, the maximum power output may be capped depending on your power station's input limit. This isn't a flaw in the panel itself, but something to verify with your specific equipment. For its price point, the MHPower is great for those seeking a portable and efficient solar solution for moderate power needs. However, it lacks the higher wattage and robust build quality of some competitors. Pros include lightweight portability, high efficiency, and good weather resistance. Cons include the non-waterproof control box and potential power limitations with certain stations. Coming in at rank number 4 is the ZOO PW 100-watt portable solar panel. This model boasts an impressive 23.5% conversion efficiency, putting it near the top in terms of performance. The ETFE coating ensures durability, waterproofing, and dustproofing, making it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts. While the panel itself is IP67 rated, the control box isn't waterproof, so take precautions during heavy rain. The kickstands and magnetic handle make setup a breeze, and the foldable design allows for easy transport. The ZOO PW offers multiple charging options, including USB-A, Type-C, and solar connectors, making it compatible with a wide array of devices and power stations. It's perfect for RV trips, camping, and emergency use during power outages. However, like the MHPWOS, this panel may encounter input limitations with certain power stations. So double-check compatibility before purchasing. The included accessories, such as a 10-in-1 DC connector and extension cable, add versatility to the package. Overall, the ZOO PW stands out for its compact design, high efficiency, and versatile charging options. Pros include excellent efficiency, durable build quality, and wide compatibility. Cons are the non-waterproof control box and the slightly higher weight compared to some competitors. At rank number 3, we have the Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel, a powerhouse designed for serious off-grid adventurers. This panel offers exceptional efficiency at 22.5% and comes with a rugged build that's built to last up to 25 years. The 200-watt suitcase-style design is foldable and portable, making it easy to transport and set up. It's heavier than other options at 34.4 pounds, but the extra weight reflects the robust build quality, including a weather-resistant backplane and canvas protective case. The Renogy panel includes a 20A Voyager charge controller with smart PWM technology to maximize battery charging efficiency. It supports various 12V battery types and offers advanced safety features like overcharging protection. Its compatibility with multiple systems makes it ideal for RV owners, campers, and anyone needing reliable power on the go. However, its weight and higher price point make it less suitable for casual users or those prioritizing portability. In summary, the Renogy is perfect for those who value durability and high power output over lightweight portability. Pros include superior build quality, excellent efficiency, and advanced charging technology. Cons are its heavier design and higher price point. At rank number 2, we have the Dokyo 150-watt portable solar panel kit. This panel packs a lot of power into a lightweight foldable design that weighs just 9 pounds. It's incredibly easy to transport and set up, making it a fantastic choice for RVers and campers looking for convenience without sacrificing performance. With high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells, it ensures excellent power conversion even in less than optimal conditions. The Dokyo panel features multiple output options, including USB and DC connectors, allowing you to charge a variety of devices and batteries. Its 18-volt optimum power voltage is ideal for 12-volt systems, and the included 10A controller provides basic protections against overcharging and short circuits. However, the controller's functionality is more limited compared to higher-end models. The 9.85 feet cable length offers flexibility in placement, and additional accessories like the optional extension cable enhance usability. In conclusion, the Dokyo excels in portability and versatility, making it a great mid-range option for RV owners and outdoor enthusiasts. Pros include lightweight design, good power output, and affordable pricing. Cons are the limited controller features and reliance on additional accessories for optimal performance. And finally, at rank number 1, we have the Solperk Solar Panel Kit 20W 12 volts. While it may not have the highest wattage on this list, this panel offers incredible reliability and functionality for maintaining and trickle charging 12-volt batteries. With an efficiency range of 21% to 30%, it delivers solid performance in a compact and lightweight design. The corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and tempered glass surface ensure durability, granting the panel a lifespan of up to 25 years. The Solperk comes equipped with a smart 8A charge controller, featuring a 3-stage charging design that protects against overcharging and short circuits. The adjustable mounting bracket allows you to position the panel for optimal sunlight exposure, making it perfect for RV setups. Its plug-and-play cable connections make installation a breeze, even for beginners. While it's not built for high-power applications, it's an excellent solution for maintaining battery health during extended periods of travel or storage. In summary, the Solperk is the best choice for those looking for a reliable, affordable, and easy-to-use solar panel for battery maintenance. Pros include high efficiency, durable build quality, and user-friendly installation. Cons are the lower power output and limited use cases beyond battery maintenance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best solar panel for your motorhome. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.